Hi Dressy Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Dustin from Stranger Things. So let's get started. To draw cute Dustin, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw a slant that comes down. So let's start by right here. And I'm just going to slant a curve down. And under this slant is where I'm going to draw this oval. So for the eyes, so right here. And I'm not making it very round, just more of an oval. Because I feel like Dustin has smaller eyes. I'm just going to try to make it smaller, a little bit flatter, but right there. And then right underneath this, we're just going to draw a soft curve to anchor the eye. So, and then let's come right here, and we're just going to add a little dip right in that area. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'll say about right here, I give myself a point, and we're going to draw the same thing. So go up this little dip, and then we're going to come down. So definitely make adjustments as you need once you draw in your lines. Just take a look. And so about right here, just like the other side, about right here, we're going to draw this ovalish shape. Ovalish circle. There, and then right underneath, let's draw a soft curve to anchor the eyes. So I'll come back here and make some adjustments. I'll just make this part a little bit thicker. And so now that we have that two shape in, let's make them draw so cute eyes still. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So once I'm done with this drawing, I hope you still think it looks like him. And same thing here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to come up and draw the brow. So come up about right here, and we're just going to draw a soft angle over the eye. And thicken it up and down. And I'm not going to color them in because he has light eyebrows, so same thing here. I mean, I'm not going to color them in black. Do that when I'm coloring on the computer. And now that with the brow in, let's give him a sweet smile. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a wide curve and then cap it off. There. So now to frame his face, we're going to come back to where his eyes are. Let's just come right here, come really close to it. I'll give myself a point, and same thing here. And we're going to draw a bottom of a U. So we're going to go around, go down, and I'm going to make the bottom part, his chin area, a little bit longer. So I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Then from there, let's go ahead and just connect round bottom of U. Down there, and then we're going to draw the same thing on this side. There, so hopefully that wasn't too low. Okay, there. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this up a little bit more. So kind of to where his brow is. And same thing here, to where the brow is. And then let's come back in this area. We're going to draw his ear. Let's pop in an ear right here. Some details inside, and same thing over here. And let's see. Just looking at my camera, the face shape is slanted, isn't it? Add a little bit more right here. Okay, sorry about that. Now let's draw the top of our cap. So let's bring this up a tiny bit more, and then about right there, we're going to come out. And right over his brow, we're going to, let's see here, go up towards the center, about right there, around this part off and come right back down. There, right over his head. And then we're going to come about right here, kind of like where his ears are, and round this off, slant it in a little bit. So this is the cap part, and then we're going to just thicken it up. So let's go up, round off, and down. From there, let's go ahead and draw the top of our cap. So let's come in a tiny bit, and then we're going to go up at a slight angle, nice and high. So say about right there, and then I'm going to round off this corner and head towards the center. So about right here, and then round it off again at the top, and then we're going to come down just like the other side. So about right here, we're going to head towards this area and angle down. Then for some details, let's come right here, and we're just going to draw a slight line just to give it some dimension. Right here. And then of course he has some details on his cap, but we'll draw that later. Let's come back and we're going to draw his hair. So in this area right here, just add a little curve right here. And then we're going to pop out his hair right to his chin. So let's come here, it's kind of curly. So I'm just going to wiggle towards about right here. And a little curve up to you. But you just want to create this little mound of hair. And same thing here. And we're just going to end about right there. Just bring it in. There. And I almost forgot, the most important strand is right here. We're going to add this little curl, comes down, hit his brow, and then come up. So that completes it, right? Now it's extra cute. Okay, so then now that we're done with that, we'll come back to the hat later. Let's draw his body. So right in the center, about right here and here, just give him a neck, just very little line, very small, and then we're just going to come down, wide shoulders and down. And same thing here. And down. And then from there, we're going to come into this area, and we're just going to split it with these two curves. And in between, right here, we're just going to draw his shirt. So draw a curve, and another curve. And then let's see, let's find kind of where his armpit area would be. Just say about right here. Just give yourself a point. And we're just going to draw a slight angle line out. So just so you kind of know where everything should be. So then let's bring this down more. And let's keep going. So let's bring this up now, since we're here, this line for his shirt. And I'll bring this down a little bit more. So we kind of have to figure out where we want to put his waist so that we know where things will start. So let's say about right here. I'll break it up. And about right here, I'll just give a slight wobble for his shirt. Come across with a straight line, and then his belt. Right in the center. So we know that's his waist, and then we're going to come down a little bit more, a little bit lower. So say about right here, I'll just give myself an angle line. And this is where his legs are going to start. So we just kind of figure out where things are. So now that we know where this is, we're going to bring this down a little bit more to about right here. About right there. And then we can just go ahead and connect. So bring this down, and just a slight curve to connect. So same thing here, just go up and connect. Then from there, we can go ahead and draw his pants. So come out right here. And let's work on this side. So nice and wide. We're gonna bring it down. To about right there at the bottom right here, just wiggle a little bit. About right there, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. So same thing here. come down, then wobble a little bit, and same thing here. And connect. And then we can just pop out his shoes. So just very simple. Just gonna come right here, round it off, and connect. There, nice simple shoes, because everything else is so complicated already, right? Turn lines in there for some detail, and we could come in here, draw detail if you like. Just come in here for the sole, and curve line right here. So hopefully that helps. And so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw his arms. So I'm going to bring down these sleeves, pretty long sleeves, so say about right here, and bring it in. So same thing on the other side. Okay, so then let's draw his hands, and I'll just bring them to the side, nice and simple. So just bring them about right here. They'll come out. Just give a little bend about right there, kind of like where his elbow would be. And let's just pop it out right here. So I'm going to bring out a thumb, round it off, and fingers. And then he has a sleeve right here, I believe. So just cut it off right there, and same thing on this side. Just give a little bend, just very subtle, and bring it in. Cut it off, and then once again we're just going to draw thumb and his fingers. There. And on this hand he has a watch, so pop that out right here. There. Okay, so then now for some more details, like on his pants, we're going to just draw two lines right here to simplify it, and then maybe some pockets on the sides right here. I think there should be just two lines, no line right there. And then he has some graphics on his shirt. We'll do that when we're coloring. And then he has this, we'll draw this little skull thing that's going on right here. So hopefully it's not too small, but I'll just quickly do that with horns. I think this part would be cool to draw. So let's just put in this little detail, this little skull. I know I'm going a little bit fast, but hopefully you can just see what I'm doing without me having to talk too much. We're just going to put in some teeth right here. And we're just trying to capture that little graphics that's on his shirt. And, oh yeah, the important thing, the thinking cap, right? Almost forgot. Okay, so let's come to the center right here. And I'm just going to quickly block in the word cap. So I'm starting with the A so that I know it's nice and centered, and then I'll just put in a C right here and a P, and then the lightning bolt thing that's going here, so just pointing to it, and same thing here. And the word thinking. So it's in block letters, but let me see if I can do this. Okay, I'll quickly do it. If this is too much, you can just write the word without making it block letters. T-H-I-N. Okay, right? So notice as I'm drawing this, I'm still going at a curve, trying to. K, I, N, oh no. Oh, it's getting weird. Okay, G. All right. Okay, I did it. Hopefully that still looks like it. Thinking cap, right? For Dustin here from Stranger Things. And I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, that didn't overcomplicate it, and that you still think it looks like him. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you cuties for voting on my community page that you wanted me to draw Dustin next from Stranger Things. And definitely let me know in the comments below who else you want me to draw from the new Stranger Things. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.